I thank you very much, the management of the media center. My name is Karemani Jamson. I'm a registrar and the public relations officer for the judiciary. Fellow countrymen and ladies, I greet you all, and I would like to thank you for your continued adherence to the guidelines which are provided by His Excellency the President and the Minister of Health in the fight against COVID-19. As earlier guided by the Honorable the Chief Justice, the courts have continued to operate countrywide, but with the skeleton staff on the ground in order to comply with the directives of the fight for COVID-19. At every court, there is always one judicial officer with not more than 3 members of staff to support him or her, and all courts have been guided to observe the social distance at the premises of the court at all times. I would like to mention that on the 24th of April 2020, we had an incident in Tujja whereby Mr. Sakwa Eric Joseph, together with the other 3, were presented before the magistrate grade 1 who was on duty at that court. Her Worship Happy Ann Komhanji. These 3 people were charged with offenses of manslaughter, robbery, and malicious damage to property. The charges were read to the 3 by the magistrate. The offense of manslaughter is an offense which is triable by a chief magistrate, and therefore the magistrate grade 1 did not have the jurisdiction to entertain a bail application in that matter, and she properly thereafter adjourned the matter till the 13th of May this year. And as the law requires, she had to remand the accused persons. This is with hope that on that day, when the matter comes up, we shall have the chief magistrate in place who will be able to entertain the bail application if it is presented to court. On the 25th of April 2020, a group of people who were armed with placards stormed the Tujja court, forcing their way into the court premises, and they were chanting words of support of Mr. Sakwa, the resident district commissioner for Tujja district, who is one of the accused persons in the above mentioned case. As judiciary, would like to condemn in the strongest terms such acts which are intended to interfere with the independence of doing our work. The public is warned that they cannot intimidate judicial officers into doing what they wish. Such acts are criminal, and therefore we expect the police to investigate the incident at Tujja so as to bring the culprits to book. An accused person who is presented to court is presumed to be innocent until that person pleads guilty or is proved to be guilty. For that reason, which is a constitutional provision, the person has the freedom to apply for bail, and if the person applies for bail following the laid down procedures and satisfies the court can grant him bail. So we expect these 3 accused persons not to be different from others, and if they are interested in bail, we expect them to apply following those laid down procedures. So we want to assure the nation that we shall continue to uphold the rule of law, even during this time of the challenge of coronavirus pandemic. We are reminding all those that had cases that were ongoing in courts to stay calm. As soon as the situation normalizes, we shall put up an arrangement on how to invite those people back to court in order to have their cases completed. So I urge you to stay home, stay safe, for God and my country. God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. Karemani. I would request you to give us Uganda briefly of this, and then we have the situation.
Njagala kutegeeza abantu bonna nti